name is Khushbu. In this 21st century, we have come a very long way from our ancestors, who has started their livelihood from Stone Age. They didn't have any means of technology who has solved them out. But in the present time, the technology has boomed up. So there is many types of products which is available in market with the help of technology. So one of the particular products is Segway. So me and my teammates have made this product so we can easily understand the principle and working mechanism.
Hello, I am Sarfraz Ahmad. As you can see, Segway consists of different parts. Main component of Segway are: first is motor, which is fitted front side, and second is battery, which is fitted back side, and third is wheels, which is connected to motor with the help of chains and a sprocket, and last is electric switch, which is help to control the Segway.
Hello, my name is Kujan Shrestha. Now I shall be telling you the working principle of Segway. The main principle of Segway is that it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Now coming to its working mechanisms, whenever the current is supplied from DC batteries to the DC motor, and the sprocket which is added to the DC motors are linked with wheels with the help of chain and sprocket mechanism. So that means its working mechanism is chain and sprocket drive mechanism. So now I will show you how the Segway works. Now if you want to move in a linear motion, just press button at once and it will move in linear motion. And if you just want to move to the left direction, just press right button for while and it will move to the left direction. If you want to move in right direction, then press left button. If you just want to move 360 degree rotation, just press one button for a while and it will give you full 360 degree rotation. As I am going now, and here it comes, 360 degree rotation.
Hello everyone, I am Sonali Sandilya and I am going to tell about some basic usage of Segway. It is used for short distance movement like in malls. Older people can use it and the people who have pain in knees and have difficulty in walking can use it. It is used as transportation for towers in major parts of the world like Beijing, Washington DC, San Francisco, Paris, etc.
Hello, I am Satyajit Kumar. As you can see the Segway. The scope of Segway in future. Every living individual has realized the importance of Segway, such electronic device, and as it is the electrically operated machine and can be charged again and again with the help of electricity. So it does not have effect on the environment, and so it does not create toxic and harmful gases, which is a nice initiative toward eco-friendliness. In near future, petroleum product will be scarce and minimum, so it has got a wide scope and market value. As people are always searching for new idea, it can be further used in college as well as industry.